Hi guys, welcome to our channel Indian Cybersecurity Solutions. Today we will talk about the most demanding service is Amazon Simple Storage Service is S3. Now talk about simple descriptions about what is Amazon's S3. Amazon's Simple Storage Service is short form of Amazon's S3 is a storage for internet. It means you can use Amazon S3 to store and retrieve any amount of data in any time in anywhere. On the web, you have internet connections, you can put your own data on the S3 bucket. If any amount of data is a very cheapest price, you can access the Simple Storage Service is a simple web interface of the Amazon's management console. Now move to how to create a bucket and how to put your internal data on your S3 storage service. Now next move to create a Amazon S3 account. Now this is the Amazon's S3 console. Here is showing the Amazon's is the global S3 is the global based service. There is not S3 does not require any region selections. That's why S3 is the global based service. Now we need to create a bucket. Bucket itself a container. You can put your data on the bucket. Okay, now let's create the bucket, and here is one to the DNS comfortable name. Is DNS compatible name means you can unique identity on that bucket is the unique of AWS DNS service. Okay, now enter the bucket name. The new bucket ICSS is the bucket name, and here is select your region, which data center you can choose to create your S3 bucket. Okay, now so create. Okay, by default you select the okay. Now we want to select the Asia specific Mumbai data center. Okay, and create the bucket. Okay. Now this bucket is created. Okay, now here is accessibility. Accessibility means your bucket is accessed from the public internet. Here is three types of bucket policy available. There is public, object can be public, and bucket and object not public. Here is showing the bucket and object not public means if you put your any amount of data in the bucket, you cannot access the any other network. That's why I want to access this bucket policies. Okay, we change to the permissions. Here is the permissions policies. Now back to edit options and the uncheck the all public access block and save it. Now is confirm. Okay, and confirm. Now go back to overview options, and there is change the object can be public. Object means your data. Now you can upload the data on my local desktop. Okay, upload pictures and AWS and upload. Now my data is uploaded and its size is 34 KB. Now we need to open the bar. Now we need to open this object. Okay, now the data is open. Now here is also available the URL on that particular file. Now we copy the object URL, and you can copy it and you can send this object URL any persons to view this file. Okay, copy it and copy and paste. Now this data is not open for the public access denied. Here is showing the access denying request. So now we need to permit this file to access everyone. Here is options to make public. Now the make public button is pressed and successfully the object is public. Now refresh it. And if you attach this image in your website or in your URL, the image is the display, and your image also stored on Amazon S3 bucket. Amazon S3 is a simple storage service, is very cheapest price provided by the AWS. That's why it's very popular service nowadays. Okay, thank you watching for our video.